In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Woocommerce consumer key. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners who are eager to dive into the world of Woocommerce and start managing their online stores more effectively. To begin, let's head over to WordPress.com. Opening your web browser, type in the URL, or simply search for WordPress to navigate to the homepage. Once you're there, it's time to log in to your account. On the top right corner of the WordPress homepage, you'll spot the Login button. Click on it and enter your username and password. If you've stored your login details in your browser, this part can be even quicker. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub, and today we'll be focusing on locating an important credential: your Woocommerce consumer key. Next, you want to navigate to the Woocommerce settings. Simply go to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find Woocommerce listed. Place your cursor over it and a menu will pop up. Click on Settings, and this will lead you directly into the Woocommerce settings area. Now that you're in the settings section, you should see a row of tabs at the top. One of these will be the Advanced tab. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where all the advanced features are housed. And here's where we'll find what we're looking for today. Once inside the Advanced section, you'll notice another set of options. What you want to do next is locate the REST API option. Click on REST API, which will bring you to the page where you can manage your API keys. Now, we're getting closer to our goal. On this page, look for the button that reads, Generate API Key. This is the button that will create and manage keys for various integrations and tools that work with Woocommerce. After you've clicked Generate API Key, the next step is to find your consumer key. This is the key that will provide access to your store's data through the API, useful for developers and applications that you might integrate with your Woocommerce setup. Always remember, keep your consumer keys secure. They allow access to sensitive store data, and misuse could potentially lead to data breaches or unwanted changes. Now that you have successfully generated and located your Woocommerce consumer key, you'll be fully equipped to integrate your store with other applications or services. And there you have it. You've efficiently navigated through Woocommerce's settings to find what you need. This critical step enables you to leverage Woocommerce's powerful API for better store management. Remember to always practice safe data handling by securely storing your keys and keeping backups. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Join us in our next video for more Woocommerce insights.